Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Pioneer 1000 5-seater deluxe model. Beautiful metallic silver paint scheme. We've installed the hardtop roof on this unit. This thing is loaded with amazing features. LED headlamps, aluminum swing arms painted red, rock guards. It's got aluminum alloy rims, 3 seats across the front with 3-point safety harness, rear folding back seats. You can put 2 in the back or use it as a dump bed. I think it's an awesome, fantastic side-by-side with many features. Dual clutch automatic transmission, 1000 cc powerful engine. Come by, check it out, make your side-by-side dreams come true. This beautiful electric power steering, limited edition Pioneer 1000 5-seater, $20,099. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.